All hands on deck, or AHOD, is a method to handle surges in call volume and ensure that callers don't get frustrated by extended wait times. Sometimes, call centers experience an unexpectedly high number of calls. In these situations, employing the AHOD strategy could have been a lifesaver and kept customers from feeling let down. Let's talk about the benefits of the all hands on deck strategy. With everyone pitching in, call centers can reduce wait times, ensuring customers get the assistance they need quickly. And when customers receive prompt and efficient support, it leads to higher satisfaction and improved brand perception. By using all available resources effectively, call centers can maximize their operational efficiency. The all hands on deck strategy in call centers is all about teamwork, adaptability, and ensuring that customer service remains top-notch even during challenging times. Here are some tips for efficiently managing higher call volume while meeting the needs of your agents and customers. If you expect more calls, update your phone system to direct callers efficiently, reducing the load on agents and improving service. Utilize data from your software to predict call volumes and types, helping you schedule adequate staffing. With increased call volume, give agents more regular breaks to prevent exhaustion and maintain service quality. Consider outsourcing or having backup staff ready to handle overflow calls if your team is overwhelmed. Need extra help with your call volume in your business? Talk to us. Visit outsourceaccelerator.com to book a call, download our toolkit, or get 3 free codes.